Transform your everyday angle grinder into a versatile, multi-purpose tool with the Multifunctional Angle Grinder Attachment Converter. Oscillate saw blade adapter multi-power tool part M10, M14, type 100, 115, 125. Whether you're tackling DIY projects or professional tasks, this innovative attachment will elevate your work to the next level. Why choose this tool? Multifunctional design. Say goodbye to switching between tools. This converter effortlessly transforms your angle grinder into a multifunctional powerhouse. From cutting and sanding to polishing and shaping, it's perfect for wood, drywall, plastic, metal, and more. It's the ultimate solution for all your multi-scene work needs. Exceptional quality. Built with premium stainless steel, this adapter offers outstanding durability. It resists wear, corrosion, and rust, ensuring reliable performance and long-lasting use. Invest in quality that keeps up with your demands. Precision and portability. Compact and lightweight, this attachment is easy to carry and store. The narrow blades and depth gauge allow for intricate work in tight spaces, ensuring precise cuts and detailed finishes every time. Wide application. Versatility at its finest. Whether you're removing rust, polishing rough surfaces, or shaping concrete and tile adhesives, this tool adapts to your projects effortlessly. It's the ultimate partner for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Ready to revolutionize your toolbox? Click the link in the video description to get your hands on this incredible multifunctional angle grinder attachment at the best price available. Don't miss out. Supplies are limited. Don't forget to support our channel. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Let's build a community of creators and problem solvers together.